According to NASA, it's been a summer of near record ice loss in Greenland, and there's more melting to come. Sean Stryker spoke to scientists about what that could mean for us here in Maryland.
Melting ice in Greenland means higher water levels, which isn't necessarily good news, especially when you have a hurricane like Dorian churning up the coast. It's been a summer of record-setting temperatures.
That's not particularly good news, of course.
Especially when you're talking about Greenland, covered mostly by ice. NASA scientist Tom Newman says the world's largest island is shrinking.
It's losing mass even faster now than it used to, and so that's contributing directly to sea level rise globally.
And while you may or may not be able to see sea level rise, it could be felt during certain weather events.
We have Hurricane Dorian going on right now, and as sea level increases, storm surge will reach farther inland.
The ice in Greenland is known as land ice. NASA is also tracking sea ice. Is this alarming? Are you noticing that it's getting smaller over time?
Yeah, absolutely. So the sea ice extent has been decreasing since the 70s.
Unlike land ice, sea ice is already in the water, so when it melts, it doesn't contribute to sea level rise, but it does lead to warmer ocean temperatures.
As that energy balance in the Arctic changes, it changes the position of the jet stream and how weather systems move around, and changes the weather that we experience right here in the DC and Baltimore area.
NASA is tracking these changes with a new satellite in space designed to monitor the amount of ice on Earth. Now it remains to be seen whether or not 2019 will set a record for Arctic ice loss, but it is tracking to be one of the worst in the past 40 years. Sean Stryker for WJZ.